Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO C55 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the passwords and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint unlock. And if you do not have a regular screen lock, just like I don't have, then you will have to add it to actually be able to add the fingerprint. If you've got one, it will be transferred to another step. So just choose the option, and here we've got the information why we really have to do that. Because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, you will still be able to unlock your device with the screen lock. What is more, be sure that you will remember that, because if not, you will have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So let's tap on Got It. Let me draw the pattern. Let's redraw it and confirm. And now we can add our fingerprint. So all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So let me rest the device and let me do it. So as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Corner or place or area. Just be patient and do it. I don't want to add the face data. Okay, so we just successfully added the fingerprint. We can rename it here or just tap on Done. There we've got the fingerprint section with the options. That's the fingerprint we added. After tapping on it, we can again rename it or remove the fingerprint. We can add another fingerprint. I believe we can have up to 5 different fingerprints. We've got the fingerprint recognition method. We've got either touch or press, and to be honest, I personally believe that the touch option is much easier and more comfortable to use, because to unlock the device you will have to simply put your finger on the sensor, just like during adding the fingerprint, and by choosing press you will have to not only put your finger on the sensor but also press the button, which in some situations may be a little bit more complicated than just simply putting the finger on the sensor. Here you can also decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the lock screen, privacy, password, uplock, fingerprint payments, everything is up to you, totally up to you. Let's lock the device and let's actually check whether we successfully added the fingerprint. So let me lock it and let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see it is immediately unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.